The 2024 Audi Q8 Sportback E-Tron, merging elegance with efficiency. In the realm of electric SUVs, the 2024 Audi Q8 Sportback E-Tron stands as a testament to sophistication and efficiency, formerly known as the Audi e-tron. This sleeker version of the Q8 e-tron offers a compelling option for those seeking both style and eco-conscious driving. Visually, the Q8 Sportback E-Tron brings a refreshing twist to the electric SUV landscape. Its distinctive Audi face, characterized by a bold single-frame grille, slender headlights, and enhanced by gloss black accents in the optional black optic package, sets it apart. The S-Line trim, featuring standard 20-inch wheels, adds a sporty touch, creating a harmonious blend of elegance and athleticism. Stepping inside, the interior exudes refinement with dark chrome trim, vibrant orange accents, and plush black leather upholstery, while not visually flamboyant. The layout adheres to Audi's standards of ergonomic excellence. The seats offer a premium level of comfort, and the cabin, though not visually stunning, radiates a sense of quality, despite its dramatic roofline. The Q8 Sportback's rear seats provide a surprisingly spacious environment. Ample legroom 39.1 inches and headroom accommodate passengers comfortably. Standing out even against rivals like the BMW X, the Sportback maintains practicality, losing only 1.3 cubic feet of cargo space compared to its conventional counterpart. Under the hood, the Q8 Sportback houses a robust powertrain, featuring a larger 114.0 kWh battery pack, 106.0 kWh usable, and two electric motors, delivering 400 horsepower and 489 pound-feet of torque. The Sportback variant achieves an impressive 296 miles of range, and its sleek design contributes to a commendable drag coefficient of 0.27. The advancements extend to efficiency, with an MPGe rating leaping from 77 to 87, showcasing the positive impact of the Sportback's aerodynamic styling. Charging is also expedited, thanks to the Q8's ability to accept 170 kilowatt DC fast charging rates, reducing the 10 to 80% charging time to just 31 minutes. While the Q8 Sportback excels in efficiency and elegance, it doesn't compromise on performance. Acceleration, taking 5.4 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, embodies a smooth yet unremarkable power delivery. In corners, the Q8 Sportback maintains stability with minimal body roll, but it doesn't strive for a sporty feel. Steering, while improved with a quicker ratio, lacks a substantial feedback element. As a highway cruiser, the Q8 Sportback truly shines. Its air ride ensures a plush ride, adept at absorbing bumps, and the cabin's serene environment, rivaling even non-electric counterparts, enhances the driving experience. Technological upgrades, including a 10.1-inch center touchscreen and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate control, contribute to a seamless and enjoyable driving and living experience. In essence, the 2024 Audi Q8 Sportback E-Tron masterfully combines elegance, efficiency, and technological innovation, offering a compelling choice for those embracing the electric SUV future.